11 Tips to get 10K Instagram followers without buying them.
10,000 Instagram followers. It's a common social media milestone that businesses work towards when building a brand. To some, reaching this tier demonstrates you have the potential to be a serious online influencer in your industry. However, with influencer marketing on the rise, Instagram users sometimes purchase lists of potential followers in the hopes that they'll get at least a portion of these people to pay attention to their accounts. But particularly in a B2B business setting, buying a list can lead to poor quality traffic to your website, along with unintended consequences like a higher bounce rate, less time spent on pages, and bad fit leads. It's a much safer, and more rewarding, route to grow your social following organically. Engagement with your brand will be much higher, members of your target audience will be sharing your content, and you'll have more opportunities to convert or nurture qualified leads that are actually interested in what you're selling. In this video you will find 11 simple tips for getting to 10K Instagram followers without buying your way there.
1. Experiment to find your voice.
If you've been posting on Instagram for a while and you're not getting the social traction you're looking for, switch it up. Change the type of content that you're posting, and strike a different tone in the captions. Then refer to the analytics and see what content people are connecting with. You can also look at brands that you'd like to emulate on social media, and incorporate a few new ideas. Once you've identified the content and voice that resonates with your viewers the most, publish more posts like that.
2. Stay on brand.
It's true that too much experimentation can disrupt the growth of your following. Establishing a solid brand is about consistency. After following you for enough time, people come to expect something specific from you, something that they enjoy. While peppering in new types of content is important, as you might find a golden nugget in there, once you find your niche, don't deviate too far from it without a well-thought-out strategy.
3. Be active.
Are you active on Instagram? Do you like other people's photos, comment on them, and engage with their content regularly? This is a great way to start to get noticed, especially if those posts are closely followed by people in your target market. That said, if you are too active, you can actually look like a spammy bot to Instagram's algorithms, and they might ding you. There really are lots of obnoxious people out there who automate random comments to show up on influencer channels with URLs to their websites, etc.
4. Don't follow for follow.
It's tempting, but don't do it. Building an engaged audience does take time and patience. If you truly have a social media strategy for your B2B brand, following others for the sake of them following you back isn't going to bring you the results you want.
5. Be real and honest.
Things can begin to feel fake on Instagram. Is that person's life really that perfect? Who has a kitchen that clean? Don't be afraid to be authentic and create content that people can relate to. Highlighting the quirks of your business can win people over. While it's still going to be curated to a certain degree, posting user-generated content, third-party content, or even employee quotes will also shed light on what your brand values and prioritizes. Using the Instagram Stories tool is also a great way to showcase your company culture or your unique personality. If you're comfortable with video, give it a try.
6. Don't brag too much.
So you've won an award? That's great, and you should definitely post about it. Just avoid making accolades, certifications and reviews the only type of thing you post. Along similar lines, don't spend too much time talking about your product or service and why it's amazing. In fact, spend very little time doing that. People aren't following your Instagram account for solely promotional content. They want to see a side of you or your organization that makes you appear human. They want to be inspired creatively, and they want to laugh.
7. Publish timely content.
Find the top influencers in your respective area of expertise, and follow them. Keep an eye on what they're posting and what people are saying in the captions. Then join in the conversation. The people following and interacting are most likely in your target audience as well, and if you respond to something they say, you might just get a new follower out of it.
8. Identify influencers and interact with them.
Find the top influencers in your respective area of expertise, and follow them. Keep an eye on what they're posting and what people are saying in the captions. Then join in the conversation. The people following and interacting are most likely in your target audience as well, and if you respond to something they say, you might just get a new follower out of it.
9. Get a bird's eye view of your Instagram.
Take a step back and get a quick look at your Instagram as a whole, the page that has all of the squares on it. What's missing? Does it look cohesive? Make sure that all of your images look good and on brand, that you have Instagram highlights set up, that all of your bio info is updated with hashtags and a current link to either your website or relevant content.
10. Cross-promote your Instagram on your other channels.
If you already have a decent following on another social platform, make sure those followers hear about your Instagram account, too. You should also drive people to your Instagram by promoting your channel on your website.
11. Be patient.
You're building a following of real people and it might take some time till you find your audience. It can be frustrating, but starting this way will have you ready when your posts begin connecting with a larger audience. Just know that even if it's only a few people right now, they're following because they enjoy your content or find value in it. Don't give up.